Okay, quick video on splicing wires if you change things around on your wheel. I got these connectors, butt connectors with heat shrink and solder, and they come in different gauges. I've done 2 already to see how they work, and they work pretty good. So basically you get the right gauge for the wire that you're doing. Before you cut the end of the wire, I would put it through, then you splice the end, fan the wires out a little bit, then the other end, fan that out a little bit, then push the 2 strands in together, and then just roll it between your fingers, then bring your heat shrink over. Strands of wire are going to get caught, but it's no big deal. Then you bring the solder part, which is right in the middle, you put it right in the middle of the splice, and you don't want to heat up the battery or other things much, so I hold it up, and that's about good. Get my air gun. I do it at high temperature, so I'm not on there for too long, hopefully. At around 350 I start. I shrink the and you can actually see the solder melting. My workbench is so much full of other crap, I have no room. You can actually see the solder melt. Once you see it melting, and you let it cool down. What I do afterwards, just to be on the safe side, in case the heat shrink has melted because of me holding the gun for too long, I put some, I put some electrical tape over the entire area, and you're good to go. It works pretty good. On these ones that I spliced, after it cooled down, I pulled on the wire and it didn't come off, so they are pretty good. You can get this stuff from Amazon. Just if you do look for butt connectors with heat shrink, make sure it's the one with solder. So it's solder and seal connectors. This one is called, I don't know what the hell is called, Sopoby. I got this from Amazon, Sopoby, and it comes in 24 to 26 gauge, 18 to 22, 14 to 16, and 12 to 10. So they're all color coded. I think it's worth the money. All right, bye.